so excited because today I got in my Peanuts collection and I can't wait to share it with you. But today we have somebody in studio that's going to help us unbox everything. So today we're joined in studio by Charlie Brown. And isn't he cute? And I cannot wait to open this stuff up because it's for him. So the first thing we're going to open is our warmer, and I am so excited. I've seen it. We're actually getting a Christmas one as well, and it's Snoopy's Pumpkin Patch warmer. So let me open it up. Okay, so this thing is so cute. Look at the lid. Is that adorable or what? And you get this little woodstock that you put right on his belly. There's a little spot for it. Oh my gosh, my eyes are so bad I can't see. What do you think, bud? What do you think? Okay, so then you get your cute little warmer and you put this on top. Then this part right here goes inside. Now this can be hard to hold, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it looks like. That is so stinking cute. Look, Logie. Look, bud. Look at that. Is that cute? I think he likes it. Look at how cute that is. I'm obsessed with Peanuts. Next thing I want to show you is the scent. It's Snoopy's Autumn Adventure. And let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Ooh, that's going in my Scentsy club. That's really good. What do you think? Smell. Do you like that one? You like that one? Okay, so Scentsy says, leap into a pile of freshly raked fun with Snoopy. Warm spice, brown sugar, and a swirl of vanilla capture the heart of the season. Yes, this is definitely, he just burped. This is definitely a bakery scent, and I love this. I'm going to have to get a bunch more. The next thing is actually sold out. This is the only part of the collection that has sold out, and it's the Woodstock. It's the Buddy Clip, and it is scented probably with the same scent. Yeah, Snoopy's Autumn Adventure. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look. Look, buddy. Look. It's Woodstock. You want to hold Woodstock? You want to hold him? So the last thing I want to show you is the Snoopy Scentsy Buddy. And if you have never seen a Scentsy Buddy, you're in for a treat. So it's basically a scented plush. So it's coming in this cute little box that looks like Snoopy's doghouse. Absolutely adorable. So let's open it up and take a look. You want to see? You want to see, buddy? Oh my, look it. Look, 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 look. Oh my gosh, look at, it's so cute. Oh, he's so soft. Oh, he is so soft. Okay, so he's not just a regular plush. Look at Snoopy. Look. But he is scented, and the way he is scented is with a scent pack, and it is scented with Snoopy's Autumn Adventure. So let's go ahead and open that up. It's a little scent sachet. And these are washable, but if you're going to wash it, take the scent pouch out. The scent pouches are good for, the scent packs are good for 3 months. But I never throw mine away. I put them in drawers. Okay, so each Scentsy Buddy comes with a spot to put your scent pack. This one is right here in the front. So it has the little zipper, and you just stick it in there. What, buddy? What? What, buddy? What? And then now he's scented. So that is everything, you guys. I am so excited. Like I said, I bought 2 of everything because his mama wanted something for her house as well. So look at how cute. I can't even, this goes this way. Look at how cute that is. And like I said, for Christmas, starting October 1st, we are dropping the Christmas Peanuts warmer. So I'm excited about that because we're going to be doing baby everything here. No more fancy schmancy for me. I'm going like all for him. He doesn't care right now, but he'll care next year. Anyways, you guys, it's all available. You can go to my and grab it there. What's up, buddy? Anyway, and if you're wondering what he's sitting in, This is called a Hugaboo, and this is what he's learning to sit in. This is what his physical therapist recommended. We were using the Sit Me Up, but it was really hard to get him in and out. He's such a happy boy. Anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Say bye. Bye.